Hi and welcome to Chef's Review. Let me show you a coffee machine from Royal Catering. A device perfect for catering companies, hotels, on a buffet and of course conference rooms. Any place where you need a lot of coffee to be served to sleepy guests. Alright, so let me just make you a cup of coffee and in the meantime I'll talk you through all the main components and all the important informations. Alright, so first of all it's a stainless steel construction with a capacity of 2.2 liters of water. That's where the water comes in. There's a special crate already prepared 1.5 liter. That's the equivalent of around 7 cups of coffee. That's quite important because you have to measure out your coffee for your water, or the other way around, so it actually makes the right amount of coffee with a proper flavor. Alright, so that's the container where the coffee goes in. There's a special sieve inside that you can take out for cleaning purposes. And this is to make this little space between the hole where the coffee goes out and the filter, so it doesn't clog up. These filters you can get everywhere. These are simple paper flatbed cone filters. And the instruction manual says for each cup of coffee that you pour in, there should be a tablespoon of ground coffee. So in this case around 7 tablespoons, 5, 6 and 7. Of course you can make this coffee stronger or weaker, but that's the suggested amount. Alright, this slides into these two rails up there. Make sure it's properly fit in, and in the set with this particular machine you're getting 2 thermoses, each with a capacity of 2 liters. So in order to get the coffee inside you have to open the cover, take the pump out and align the thermos with the hole where the coffee goes out. Alright, so now to controls. There's 2 controls. The one on the left is for the heat plate. And that's a very important remark there. That's for glass jars, not for thermoses. So the thermos has a plastic bottom. If you put that thermos on top of here, it will simply melt and you'll damage it. So that's purely for glass jugs. Alright, so in this case I won't turn it on, but the second button, that's for the brewing process to begin. So you turn it on and you have 2 indicator lights. The green one goes on and indicates that the coffee is brewing, and the red one goes on when the machine needs descaling. Alright, so for 2 liters, the producer says it will take approximately 6 to 7 minutes to make a portion of coffee. With this amount, approximately 1.5 liter will take 5 to 6 minutes. So I have enough time to get you through all the details once again. Alright, so stainless steel construction, which is, well, really robust and solid. It will look good for a long time. You have 2000 watts of power in this, so it's quite efficient. If it overheats, there's a really conveniently placed reset button, so when it overheats it will trip the safety. You have to wait for it to cool down and then you just press the button and you can go again. Just remember, with every portion of water, some of it will remain in the tubes and in the mechanism itself. So in order to drain it, never put it upside down, never try to tip it over, because there is a drain tap just in the back. So just unscrew it, drain the water, and then you can store away the whole device. So the way it works actually, well, you put this device in the back, and you put the thermoses up front for your customers to serve themselves. So I'll show you in a second how it works. But let me just tell you, if you're looking for a coffee machine, just have a look at the website. There's a variety of coffee machines there on offer. So have a look. There's different configuration, different price ranges, different efficiencies and parameters. So you will find the configuration that you need most for your venue. This machine, however, comes with a 3-year warranty. And in this set, of course, you're getting the 2 thermoses and, of course, a whole pack, I think it's 1,000 of filters. These are available everywhere, but that's a really nice gesture to have it in the set, because once you get the package, you can go straight away. Also, for a safe journey, the producer packs it really well in a really sturdy cardboard box. It's actually double cardboard with styrofoam inside and bubble wrap for a safe trip. Also inside, you will find an instruction manual, and this is quite an important bit because there's a lot of information on how to prepare the device for its first use, how to clean and maintain it, how to service it, and so on. All right. Once the brewing is finished, the machine gives you an acoustic signal. So my personal advice to you is just to always give it a minute or two just for the rest of the water to drip down. There's always a bit of water remaining in the cup. So let it drain through the filter to the last drop. Otherwise you have to clean up the machine. I think it's ready. So just take out the thermos, and now it's time to prepare the thermos for its main purpose, to serve coffee. So you have to install the pump, make sure the pump is aligned with the spout, then you just close the cover, make it click, and well, there's a nice feature before I go to pouring the coffee. There's a carry handle, which makes it really easy to transport these to wherever you need them. And in order to make them work, you just lift the handle up until it clicks, and now all you have to do is just push it down. So pour as much as you need, and that's about it. That's how it works. So, if you found this informative, just leave me a comment in the comment section what other equipment you want me to test, and I'll do it for you. I thank you guys very much for watching, and I see you next time. Cheers.